Hello guys, ito po yung aming lunch for today. Yan lang po, napakasimpleng buhay. Walang kanin. Yan ang french fries. So, yun, para makatikim din naman ng seafoods. Yan, pero karne pa din. So, yun po yung aming simple lunch for today. Napakasimpleng buhay lang guys. Lahat ay binili. Yung french fries ako na lang po yung nagluluto. Walang kanin. Very simple life. So guys, what is this, Han? Shrimp. And the other one is
roll
and the
eggplant
avocado.
roll, avocado roll.
Yeah, avocado roll. So yan siya guys. Yan, kakainin na walang kanin. Yan, papapakin yung yung itong chicken. Sa atin yan, kailangan maraming kanin kasi para may matira pa na pagkain. So yun siya guys, kain tayo guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for your support. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you po.